Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check your laptop's battery health, battery capacity, charging capacity, every detail. And also I'm going to show you how to add the battery percentage icon on the taskbar. Okay, so for this all thing just need to install only one application. Okay, so open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 laptop like this, and here you need to search battery percentage icon. Download it on your laptop. Okay, after download, close the Microsoft Store. In the taskbar, here you can get your battery percentage icon of that application tool. As you can see guys, if you want to view the more details of your battery, about capacity, health, everything, so just click and open it. Okay, like this. Now here you can get the battery charging capacity, charging rate, power line status, battery time. Design capacity is 4041 40. So design capacity and full charging capacity is my so this is the main thing to check your battery capacity. Full charge capacity is, as you can see guys, here 19,551. okay, and remaining charging capacity also you can see. And if you want to check your battery health, so my laptop battery health is 47.18%. as you can see guys, here you can get every detail about this. So if you want to copy the battery details, so just click on copy button. From here you can get the all details of your battery, as you can see guys. Okay, so this is the very nice and lightweight tool to check your battery health on your Windows 11. Okay, so that's all today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.